My name is Brent Stabiner, and I'm a consultant with Logan Consulting. In today's video, I will be showing you how to combine budgets in Dynamics GP. Maintaining budgets in an ERP system makes financial reporting easier and helps safeguard the budget data. Dynamics GP includes a simple utility for importing and exporting budgets to Excel. This makes it easy to manage the budget information and reduce the amount of effort required to keep accurate budgets. In addition to the import and export tool, Dynamics GP can also combine multiple general ledger budgets into a single master budget. The master budget can be a completely new one and have its own budget ID, or it can be one of the two original budgets. In my example, I will be showing you combining two into one budget, which one of them is the original. This feature is helpful when multiple departments in the organization create their own budgets, which must be consolidated. The Combined Budgets window simplifies this project. So let's go to the Financial module where the budgets are. And then under Cards, under Financial, we go to Budgets. I'm going to show you how to combine budgets 1 and 2 in this example into budget 1. If you wanted to have your third separate budget, you'd come here, create a new Dynamics GP budget, call it Master Budget, and then you would first combine budget 1 with Master Budget and then budget 2 with Master Budget. Here I'm just going to combine 1 and 2 into 1. So first you have to open one of the budgets in GP and then go up here to the Combine Budgets button. This opens the Combine Budgets window. So as I was saying earlier, if you wanted a separate master budget, you would put the master budget here and then budget 1 here, and then repeat that master budget here, but budget 2 here, and that would combine them all into a new one. But here I'm simply, budget 1 is my master, and then I'm going to find budget 2 right here. And you can delete it after it's combined as well. I won't. And then once you're ready, click Process. Your process was successful, and now budget 1 is a combination of 1 and 2. For more information, please visit our website at www.loganconsulting.com or contact us via email at info@loganconsulting.com or via phone at 312-345-8800.